In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up professional email for in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll have a polished, business-ready mailbox connected to your domain, all from within your GoDaddy account. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the domain you want to use for email, so everything appears in one place. Once you're in, go to your profile menu in the top corner. From there, open the My Products section. This is the command center for everything you've purchased, and it's where we'll find your website and email tools. In My Products, look for the Websites plus Marketing area. That's the suite that ties your website, domain, and related services together. Click it, then select Manage to open your dashboard. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see settings and options tied to your site and domain. Inside the dashboard, find and click Email and Setup. This is where you create and manage your professional mailboxes. You're about to tell GoDaddy exactly what kind of email address you want and which domain it should live on. Now configure your email details. First, choose the domain you want this mailbox to use. Pick the domain that represents your brand or project most clearly. Next, enter a username. Keep it professional and easy to remember, something like a first name or a role-based name that matches how you plan to use the inbox. Then set your display name. This is what recipients see in their inbox when your email lands, so use a clean, recognizable sender name to build trust. Create a strong, unique password for the account. Aim for a long passphrase with a mix of character types and store it in a secure password manager for safekeeping. Before you finalize, add an existing personal email address in the Send Account Info to field. This is used for confirmations and account recovery, and it should be an inbox you can access anytime, even if you're locked out of your new mailbox. It's an important safety net that helps you reset credentials and receive setup notices. When everything looks right, click Create. GoDaddy will provision the mailbox, which can take a few minutes. During this time, the service connects your email to your domain behind the scenes, so there's nothing else you need to do. Once it's done, you'll have a professional email address aligned with your brand set up through your GoDaddy account and ready for use.